you like the video, please like the video. And if hindi ka pa nagsusubscribe, please subscribe. Click mo na rin yung notification bell so manonotify ka once na I'll be doing an upload.
Mira, I have a question. Daddy or LeBron James? LeBron James? Oh.
A few moments later.
Oh, what's that?
I left the spoon.
Be careful, Mira. What's this? What's this, Mira? Kaninong shoes to? Da?
Daddy.
Shoes? You wanna hold it?
Yes.
What color is that?
Blue.
Is it blue? It's not blue.
What did you do?
Did Daddy have?
Thank
Thank you for opening my box. Love you.
Mira, what are we gonna do?
But
Let's
open the box.
open the box. Go. So we do have the Jordan 1 fine green here. This is my first ever Air Jordan High or the OG1. Mostly ng sapatos ko is 11, 3, 4, saka 5. So this is the first time na nagkakaroon ako nito. And then I did like this is the first time as well na magsusuot ako ng size 9 na sapatos because I'm always wearing 8.5. Daddy shoe, what color is this?
Black.
Black. How about this one?
Green.
Hold daddy's shoes.
Yon mga pinsan, kamusta? Welcome ulit sa channel ko, and if you think nasa maling channel kayo, you just need to stay, lalo na kung mahilig kayo sa sapatos, sa kicks, or sa sneakers. Today, I'll just gonna show you the Air Jordan Fine Green version 2.0. It's not going to be a review because probably most of you already got the shoe kasi 1 week na siyang nilabas. So, I have to get my pair to a reseller kasi wala talaga akong swerte pagdating sa Jordan 1. Like, Breads, Chicago, Band, lahat yung pinilahan ko, sinalihan ko ng raffle, pero never talaga akong nanalo. Tingin ko kasi yung mga reseller ng Fine Green sa Calgary, nagpapanik sila dahil nakikita nilang pababa yung presyo ng Fine Green. So, I managed to buy a pair na nagdagdag lang ako ng 1,500 pesos, which is hindi naman sama kasi I didn't have to do anything, hindi ko kailangan pumila. So, tara, samahan niyo ulit ako. So, eto na! Charan!
Chat.
You can see Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The color is black pine green with red. I think it's just because the logo. So it comes with the OG box ng Air Jordan 1. So it is special to me because this is my first pair ng Jordan 1 na high or OG. Because most ng pair ko is Jordan 3, 4, 5, then 11s. Talagang wala talaga akong pinapalagpas sa 11. Kadalasan yung mga high, Space Jam 7210, yung mga OG na 11. So bubuksan na natin because we're just gonna do a quick review, or it's not a review. Papakita lang natin yung nating sapatos. Charan!
Chat.
So it's the fine green. Yung sa sintas nahirapan ako kasi siguro inabot ako mga 15 minutes. Kasi first time ko magkaroon ng Jordan 1. So I think this is a little bit different from mga sa ibang Jordan like the Chicago or the Band. Because on the toe box, as you can see, some of the Air Jordan 1, they were really so they were really glossy. This one, I think it's a little bit matte, the texture, but the quality and the tumble leather. And this one, it's really good. Malambot siya, but I've been doing my own research na nagpupunta ako sa mga mall. Hinahawakan ko lahat ng mga sapatos so I can learn from it as well. Tingin ko hindi lang siya ganun kalambot katulad ng ibang Jordan 1. Solid color as well that I can use during spring or summer. Hindi na rin ako mahihirapang maglinis nito. Ang magiging problema lang natin dito is yung midsole niya. As you can see, it's clear white. But it's not gonna bother me at all kasi masipag ako maglinis ng sapatos. And then on the tang, usually the material is nylon. As you can see, it's still nylon. Though this one on the logo, you don't have the typical logo thing on the tang. Like this one, they put a leather on it. And as you can see, we do have another pair of lace as well. They put a red one. Ang pinaka-paborito kong buwan ng taon is December, which is Christmas. So if you put the red on this one, as you can see, it's like really a Christmas color. And then you have the shoes here, which is pine green, which is, we're calling it right now the pine green. Nasukat ko na rin yung sapatos. Ang ayaw ko lang dito sa Air Jordan 1 Fine Green is this one. The wings, the logo. As you can see, parang may nilagay ka lang na itim doon. Hindi siya yung talagang litaw na litaw. Meron kasi ako rito Jordan 1 mid. As you can see, makikita nyo naman. Litaw na litaw yung wings niya. This is mid. It's not high. So, yun lang. But I don't mind it. Because sabi ko nga, siguro gamit na gamit ko to during spring and summer. Magiging kasama to sa kicks rotation ko. And then, the outsole, which is I really like as well because it's not gonna be hard to clean it. It's like just color green, solid green as well. And then sa color green na to, hindi ka rin mahirapang ternuhan siya because I think it's not like really neon green or yung parang mga nagmumurang kulay green na kulay. This one is really solid green na pwede mong parisan ng kahit anong t-shirt or kahit anong forma. So yun, pinakita ko lang yung Air Jordan Pine Green na nakap ko today. It's been a week after na release ng makap ko siya. So for my next video, ang gagawin ko is this coming Tuesday, the Sacai, Nike Sacai will be releasing. There will be two colorway. That will be the black nylon and the white nylon. So I'm gonna wake up at around 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning. I'm gonna show you how to pick those shoes on the sneaker app. So again, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta at sa uulitin. Thank you.